In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to get your WhatsApp for Business account Meta verified fast. What is the procedure? How long would it take? All these things are going to be answered in the video for today. So I want you So this procedure works for Android and Apple devices, but I'm going to show you specifically how to do this on an Android device. So the first thing is get hold of your phone and open the WhatsApp for Business application. Once you do that, you click on the menu icon to the top right, 3 dots, and then click on Settings. Once you do that, you are going to see an option to get Meta verified out here. The second option, click on that. You get directed to the page for Meta services. And then you have different plans out here to select. So you could go through this, and whatever you can afford or whatever you may be interested in, you could select that plan and go ahead and get 1 month free. Click on this tab. You get directed to this page, checkbox this, and then you click on Start Free Trial. Once you click on Start Free Trial and approved, you are going to see a tick to your username to the right, like this, how it is showing up for me out here on this screen. And within 7 to 10 working days, if everything is okay on your account, you are going to see that badge to your username to the right. But if there is any issue, if they have a doubt, they may just ask you questions. The time frame may just increase. So just cooperate with them, and if everything is good on your part, they are definitely going to give you a Meta verified badge. And by chance, after even crossing that 10 days of time frame, if your application is rejected, you can only reapply after 30 days. And regarding the verification process, what these guys at Facebook would mostly see to give you a Meta verified badge is for you to be a legitimate business or a genuine person. If you are applying for, a business account badge or whatever, you should be doing the business for quite some time. You should have an engagement. You should be having good reviews and stuff like that. Okay, what these guys are basically wanting to ensure is that scammers and people who are actually into all those things get these Meta verified badge, because a Meta verified badge actually tells a viewer that this is a genuine page. So they're not just going to give the badge to any and everybody who is going to pay a fee to them on a monthly basis. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.